In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Button Slicer in Power BI. If you're looking to make your reports more intuitive and interactive, the Button Slicer is a great choice. It turns your filter options into clickable buttons, making it easier for viewers to explore your data without scrolling through lists. Start by opening your Microsoft Power BI desktop app and heading to one of your existing reports. On the right side of the screen, go to the Visualizations pane and look for the Button Slicer visual. Click it to add it to your canvas, then resize and position it where you want it to live on your page. Next, drag the field you want to use as your filter into the visuals field well. For example, you might use a region field. As soon as you drop it in, the slicer automatically creates one button for each unique value in that field. You'll see a row or grid of buttons, each one representing a category like north, south, east, or west. Now let's fine-tune how it behaves. Open the Format pane, go to Slicer Settings, and select Selection. Here you can control how users interact with the buttons. Choose Single Select if you want only one button to be active at a time, perfect for mutually exclusive views. Pick Multi-Select when it makes sense to show combined results across several categories. You can also set a default selection so the report opens with a specific value already chosen, which helps guide viewers to the most relevant slice of your data. With behavior set, let's make it look great. Under Format buttons, you can adjust the button style, including shapes, colors, and font size, so it matches your report's branding. Use the selected and unselected states to give the active button a distinct color or style. This visual feedback helps users instantly see what's applied. If your categories lend themselves to visuals, add icons alongside text to make the options more recognizable. Finally, tweak spacing and padding to tighten or spread out the layout so it fits neatly into your dashboard without crowding other visuals. Once your button slicer is set, it works like a normal slicer. Select a button and every visual that uses that same field is filtered automatically. You'll see the effect across charts, tables, cards, and KPIs, keeping the entire page aligned with the chosen selection. That's all you need to set up an effective, user-friendly button slicer in Power BI.